If you have been looking for just the right way to display your albums, I've got you covered. These are the cutest acrylic holders for albums. I'm gonna use mine for something slightly different, so stay tuned to the very end so you can see what I do with mine. You get 6 in a package. I've already got one hung up. I've taken off the plastic sheet. Very satisfying, shall we? Is that your ASMR for today? It comes with the little stickies. You take the 2 different sides and you stick them together. You know how Velcro works. I have to say that I don't love this. I have an off-brand of little hanger things that I love, 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 love. I'll link that for you so you can check those out too. They're my favorite. They're not the name brand. They're better than the name brand. They don't have the opposing sides. The sides are the same and they click together satisfyingly, but also it's just so much easier. Anyway, these work fine. You peel off the back, center it on this, and then it says to hold. Also in the package is the teeny tiniest, most adorable level I have ever seen. I'm keeping this thing forever. Miniature levels. Yes, thank you. Let's doctor up all of them. Let's go put these on the wall. This is the one I already had on there. It's a little wobbly because of the way the Velcro is on there, but once you get the album up there, it looks fine and it's secure. When you're placing them, you want to make sure that none of them are going to touch. In this case, you wouldn't want to put one here because there wouldn't be room. You would really want to put them in the middle, but like I said, I'm not using these for albums, and I'm going to show you in just a moment what I'm using them for. Peel off the backing. It is super, super, super easy to apply. You're supposed to hold it down. This is not where I want it, and the great thing about these little tabs is you can pull them and reposition. Now, once the sticky is down for good, you can't reposition. So you have a little bit of time to do that before the adhesion adheses. I wanted to make sure it wasn't lopsided, and I forgot my little tiny tool. It's really a precise bit of work here to get that little thing not to move. Then once you have it right where you want it, hold it down for 5 seconds and get that adhesion working. And the last one, I think I'll put it right here in the center. Since these are officially album holders, let's put some albums on there. You want to be sure and measure them from here to here because obviously this is too big, but since I'm not actually keeping it there, it doesn't bother me. And now let me show you what I want to use these for. They are multi-purpose. We are a big gaming family, and I thought it would be so fun to put some of our games on this. Isn't that just a neat little wall of games? It's holding these heavier games just fine. I love it. It's exactly what I was going for. Overall, I think they're really good quality. I think they look adorable for hanging albums, but also for any other thing you might want to put on them. Multi-use. I love it when a product can do many different things. We're getting our gaming room all set up, so subscribe if you're interested in seeing that, or if you just like finding new products, another reason to subscribe. Let me know what your latest Amazon find was. See you real soon.